Judge weighing tonight whether to allow the lawsuit to move forward by a Covington Catholic student who is suing the Washington Post.
The Post is asking a federal judge to throw out this case. David Winter is just back from federal court now with the very latest. David, good evening.
Good evening, Kyle. Paula. A team of attorneys for the Washington Post faces off today with a team of attorneys for Nicholas Sandmann. The Covington Catholic student is just 16 years old, but there are hundreds of millions of dollars at stake here. Nicholas and his parents walk away from court today knowing not only the $250 million lawsuit against the Washington Post is at stake, but other suits against CNN and NBC for $275 million each.
$250 million is walking around money to Jeff Bezos. It's walking around money to all of these other media conglomerates that make billions upon billions of dollars. How much is it going to take to teach them a lesson?
The question, will the Sandmanns have the chance? They say the Post negligently, with malice, republished a viral video that tens of millions of people saw Sandmann face-to-face with an Indian elder, Nathan Phillips, who claims Sandmann blocked his way. The Sandmanns also claim the Post reported without taking the time to exercise ordinary care the diocese statement appearing to admonish Sandmann and his classmates for their conduct. Another video surfaced, though, and further investigation showed that Sandmann and his classmates did not confront Phillips, but he approached them. The Post says its reporting showed no intention of defaming Sandmann, and it cannot control how some biased readers may interpret their reporting. The Post says its reporting may have been embarrassing for Sandmann, but it does not rise to the threshold of defamation. Sandmann's attorney tells us the ordeal did a lot more than embarrass his client.
Nicholas has sought treatment because of the emotional stress that he has been under. And we don't know how, as a 17-year-old, soon in July, Nicholas internalizes this and how it will impact him later in life, except we know that it will never go away. The internet is forever.
Mr. Bain, any last comments?
No, I told you inside. I did my talking inside. Thanks very much.
The attorneys for the Post chose not to go on camera, stating that they will let their testimony in court stand. Now, there is more at stake here than just $1 billion in damages through all these lawsuits. Should this court allow this case to continue, and should the Sandmanns prevail, media outlets may be a lot more discerning about how and whether they use third-party information in their reporting. Paula, Kyle.
All right, David, a lot to digest with that case. The judge says he will take 3 to 4 weeks to make his decision whether to allow this case to move forward.